Question 17 is 4 marks. The question has two parts. Part A says factorize. There are many ways to do this. Let's do two ways. The easier way is you multiply these. 6 times -4 is -24. And then you think of two numbers that multiply to make -24 and add up to make -5. Many students are stuck at this point. To make it easy for yourself, just think of what are the factors of 24. It's 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Which of these can be added or subtracted to 5? 1 and 24, if we add or subtract, they don't give 5, so we execute that. 2 and 12, if we add and subtract, they don't make 5, so we execute. 3 and 8, if we add them, they don't make 5, but if we subtract, it makes 5, so it's 3 and 8. That's very good, so we knew the numbers, so it's 3 and 8. Now, what are the signs? Because we want them to make -24, that means one of them should be negative. And because the 5 is negative, that means the bigger one is negative and this one is positive. Did you get it? So it's -8 and +3. Once you knew the numbers -8 and 3, then you rewrite the equation. So the 6x squared stays, and instead of the -5, we use these numbers. So I write the -3x +3x first, and then -8x, and then -4. Then a question: why did I write the 3 first? Why didn't I write 8 here and 3 here? That's a very smart question to ask. I did write the 3 here because I looked at this number. It's 6. 6 and 3, we can use 3 as a common factor, and 4 and 8 are both in timetable 4. So it's better to write the numbers that has the same factor together. Okay, now what I will do here, I will take 3x outside in this part. What will be left? If I take 3x out here, I will have 2x left, plus if I take this 3x out, I'll have 1 left. Now on this part here, I'll take -4 outside. What will I have left? If I take -4 here, I will have 2x left, and if I take this -4 out, and I will have +1. So look, these should always be the same. If you don't get the same, that means you did something wrong. Alright, now let's take 2x plus 1 out from here and from here. So 2x plus 1. So on this part, I'll have just 3x left. On this part, I'll have -4. That's your answer. That's 2 marks for the first part. How was it? Now, let's look at the second part. The second part says hence or otherwise solve. It's a very nice question. To solve, first thing, bring these down. 2x plus 1, 3x minus 4. 2x plus 1, 3x minus 4 is less than 0. That means 2x plus 1 is less than 0, or 3x minus 4 is less than 0. And then solve. 2 minus 1, so 2x is going to be less than -1, and divide by 2, so x is less than -1/2. And then here, do +4 plus 4. You'll have 3x is less than 4, divide by 3, so you'll have x is less than 4/3. So we solve them. Now it's up to you. You can write them like that, or you can write them in one inequality. To write them in one inequality, write the bigger number here, which is 4/3, the smaller number there, which is a half, write x in the middle, and then bring the same inequality sign, the same one, just copy it down, which is this. So copy it here and there, and that's your answer. How is it? Now, before I go to the next question, I want to say something here. What if you couldn't figure out the numbers that's multiplied to -24 and add up to this? Just use the quadratic formula. For both of these parts, you can use the quadratic formula. It will help you solving this correctly. Alright, that's all. Bye.